All right, here we go again. The holiday baking season is launching and I want you to be ready. So get your recipes locked and loaded, and this one is an absolute must. My bakery recipe for Spritz cookies. We are keeping it simple because one easy recipe makes all of these cookies. It's a basic creaming method recipe where I've got my slightly softened vegan butter and sugar creaming to light and fluffy, and then the egg replacer is going to be flax paste. And this is where you take some flax meal and add some water, and the result is a sticky, gloopy mixture that has perfect binding abilities. So this is a really great recipe for those who have to stay away from eggs. And then I've got my flour, baking powder, and salt. And if I wanted to make this same recipe chocolate, I add some cocoa powder to the dry ingredients as well. But first, the egg replacer, and then just whip it on high speed to emulsify. And then I add in the dry. And you can see that this is not a super sticky dough, but it's really soft, like it's not sticking to my fingers, and that is perfect. It's beautiful for piping with a pastry bag or even a cookie gun. And the chocolate dough is going to be slightly more firm due to the cocoa powder. And in my vanilla dough, you can see those flecks of flax meal, and I don't really mind that. But if it offends you, simply replace the flax with an egg replacer of your choice. And I write all about that on my website, where you're going to go to grab this recipe at Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com. All the links are below this video in the description box. And now for the fun part. I'm not sure how you feel about those red and green cherries, but these are Italian Spritz cookies, so yeah. Otherwise, just go for sprinkles, and you can dip them in chocolate, and I even make ganache sandwiches with some of mine. Now, don't forget Hanukkah, simply by changing the colors from red and green to blue and white and gold. I mean, how pretty are these? All right, that's it. Go grab the recipes and get to baking these cookies. We've been training all year for this time, and we are now in full holiday bake mode. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.